again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I've got a few little things that I've had sent over from Melodysusie. I'm really curious about these. Look at these. Professional wooden file. So these are like the old school emery boards, like thin ones I think, aren't they? They look cool. Yeah, wooden. And we've got a pack of what looks like nail files as well. We're going to have a look at, and I've got a couple more of their drill bits. I really like their drill bits. Look at this, it's so long. So I'm actually halfway through. I've just filed these two nails off for another video, and I thought I'll save these 3 fingers to try these out. So right, let's have a look at these. I've got a discount code for Melodysusie, guys. It'll all be in my description box. I like this. Right, that's a bit OTT on the packaging, isn't it? They really didn't need to be all separately packaged. Right, let's have a look at these. Let me just bring you down a little bit. My mum would love these because she loves using the old emery boards. Right, so yeah, they're really thin. Do you know what these would be fun? Oh, they're so light as well. These would be fantastic for, you know, if you're doing a nail bed, because they're so thin and you can get right in them little corners. And do you know, I like the feel of these. 100, 180 as well is what I use most often. I use 100s, 150s and 180s pretty much every day. I like the feel of them. I like this little pointed side. You could really get into little. I like these. I like these a lot, actually. I like that they're pink. I like all the Melodysusie branding. Yeah, I like them. I didn't think I would, but I do like them. Right, so yeah, that is a pack of, a pack of 10. I like them. I'm going to leave one of them out, actually, to use. And I'm going to leave another one out to take over to my mum's. Right, so that's them. Just leave them there. Right, then these are nail files as well, by the look of it. Let's have a look. Right, so this looks like a mixed pack of files and buffers. There is actually a brand on Amazon that I buy packs of these from. Mixed packs, files and buffers. Right, so we have got a 100, 180 buffer. I use them a lot. Brilliant. They feel nice as well. Then we've got a 220, 280. I don't really use these. These are more for shining, I think. Or if you want to make your nail matte and you've not got a matte top coat, these kind of buffers are good for that. And then we've got a 400, 3000. Yeah, I don't really use these ones. But yeah, again, if you want to make your nails matte, they work fab. So we've got them, 3 buffers and 3 files by the looks of it. So we've got a 240, a 150 and a 180. I'll get a lot of use out of these. I like all the branding. I like the zebra files. Cool. We've got a pack of them. Right, then we've got these drill bits. Let's have a look. I have got one of Melodysusie's drill bits and I really like it. I've got a little cuticle bit. It's a really good bit, so let's have a look at these. So this one is, does it tell you on the package what it is? Right, so this one is Series Bit X, which is extra long. I'll leave a picture up on the screen of what it is. Oh my gosh, that's so long. That'd be fantastic for filing and shaping long nails, wouldn't it? Because you're going to get a lot of the nail with that. Wow, that looks really good. And then we have got, I do use these a lot. I've got a few of these in ceramic bits. Series Bit S. Yeah, I use these a lot, these drill bits, but I haven't got a metal one. Mine are all ceramic. That looks good as well. Right, we're going to try both of these. I think this is more for filing and shaping, but I am going to use it to remove these just so I can try it. And then we'll get all my dead skin and do my cuticle work with that, I think. So let me get set up and we'll get these nails off and try these drill bits there. Right, so I'm using my Melodysusie Jade S. Love this e-file. It's fantastic. Right, so let's start with this massive thing. Yeah, these are going to be fantastic for extra long nails, aren't they? Right, so, gosh, it's huge. Right, so when I'm removing nails, I normally have it on forward. If I'm using my right hand, I normally have it on forward. I think these are forward and reverse drill bits anyway, which means you can use them in forward and reverse. Yeah, I normally have it on 15,000 to remove my nails, so I don't think you can see. There, I've got it on 15,000. I've got it in forward. So let's have a go. It's going to get loud, guys. Oh gosh, this is long. I'm not used to this. But we'll give it a go. Oh wow. You can tell straight away with the first swipe on a drill bit if it's going to be a good one or not. And yeah, this is nice. Right guys, I'm just going to fly through this. Right guys, I've took that as far down as I'm willing to go. I'm just going to use this 150 grit file just to file down now, just to get the last of these bits off. Oh, this is a good file as well, I can tell. Right guys, I don't really have a lot of dead skin on my nail bed, so I'm going to use this just to get the little bits that are there and see if I can lift my cuticles slightly as I go. It's not really one of them drill bits. So I'm going to put it on 8,000. I always have it on 8,000 when I'm doing my cuticle area, but let's try it. Oh gosh, this is sharp. Yeah, I don't normally use these drill bits on my cuticle area. Oh gosh, this is sharp. This is a good one, guys. Oh, it is lifting my cuticle actually. I'm barely touching, because this will whip layers of your natural nail off. So ever so gently. Ever so gently. Yeah, it is. It's lifting my cuticle area. That's good. Wow, guys, this is so sharp. Yeah, be very careful with these bits, guys, if you get any. This is so much sharper, better than the ceramic bits I've been using. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is... I keep saying sharp. I don't know what the right word is. But it's good. Wow. Yeah, it is a bloody good drill bit. Right, I'm even gonna use it to get my dead cuticle skin off. Look at that, it's even taking all that dead cuticle skin off. so I don't have to use nippers. Wow, I love this drill bit. And it doesn't feel like it's going to cut me or anything either. Look at that. Taking that skin right off. This is just doing it all. Get the dead skin off this nail as well. So I don't even need to use any nippers because that's got it all off. Oh my gosh. It has as well. It's got all that dead skin off. Brilliant. Love it. So I'm just going to give these a little buff now using the buffer. And then I'll give them a clean and see where we're at. See if I need to do anything else. Oh, I've caught myself there. That drill bit is sharp, guys. It's a good one. Right, so I think I've got a couple of little bits on it. Yeah, I'm going to go in with my nippers. Just going to go in with my nippers and get a couple of these last bits. Well impressed with them drill bits, guys, I am. There's actually really not much left to do. Right, that's them done, guys. Right, yeah, I'm well impressed today. I'm really happy with all of these. I've not used them yet, but I think they're going to be fantastic for sharpening up your nail beds. Really good quality, everything. The files, the buffers. This little thing, oh my god. Super, super, super sharp. And the long one, where's that one gone? Yeah, this one. I think it's going to be good for filing and shaping, like I said, really, really long nails. I've never seen a drill bit so long. Has anyone seen a drill bit so long? Oh, it's got a C on there. Does that mean coarse? Yeah, because it's green, isn't it? But yeah, I'm well impressed. I'm really happy with everything I got today. Anyway, guys, I will leave links. I love these as well. I love these little packets. Yeah, I'll leave links to everything below with my discount code. Really, really good quality. I've caught myself there. I'm lethal with an e-file, I really am. But yeah, I'll leave links to everything below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.